Okay guys, this is a 2016 Chevy Corvette Stingray. Send you from Real Deal Auto. Clean title, clean Carfax. It's an LT2. Start it up here for you. So heated, cooled seats. 30,105 on the miles. Cruise control. Got your paddle shifters there. It's got your heads-up display. Kind of see that. Your smart key. You can change your drive modes. This does have a removable top. It's got the Bose sound system with the subwoofer, automatic windows, power seats. Cover back there. Some good tires on there. '16 Chevy Corvette Stingray. Send you from Real Deal Auto. Good looking rig, ready to go, guys. RealDealAuto.com.